Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to sign out all of device on Netflix application on an Android device. Okay, to prevent unauthorized access or unwanted use, you can sign out your Netflix account from all of device. Go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Okay, after that select your profile and then click on My Netflix at the bottom. Well, after that, press three line at the top right corner, and then please select account option. Okay, and then in this section, you must scroll down, and then select sign out all of devices. And then press sign out to approve. Well, that's the tutorial on how to sign out all of device on Netflix application. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.